If you're wondering how to connect a Canon printer to Wi-Fi, this guide shows every step to get your printer online quickly. Canon printers use different wireless setup methods, so we'll start with the most common touchscreen setup before covering other models later. First, turn on your Canon printer and wait until startup finishes before opening any wireless settings. Only continue after the home screen appears and the printer is no longer displaying a startup or maintenance message. From the home screen, tap the settings icon to access your printer's wireless network options. Inside Settings, open LAN Settings or Network Settings, depending on your Canon printer model. Next, select Wireless LAN Setup, so your printer can begin searching for nearby wireless networks. Your Canon printer now scans for nearby wireless networks. This usually takes a few seconds to complete. Once the scan finishes, your printer displays nearby wireless networks. Find and select the name of your home Wi-Fi network. If your router broadcasts both 2.4 and 5 GHz networks, select the one supported by your Canon printer. After selecting your network, the printer opens the password screen so you can enter your wireless password. Type your Wi-Fi password carefully. Wireless passwords are case sensitive, so uppercase and lowercase letters must match exactly. When you've finished entering the password, tap OK or Connect to begin joining your wireless network. Your printer now authenticates with the router and attempts to join your wireless network. This usually takes less than 1 minute. When the setup is complete, the printer confirms the connection and the wireless icon stays solid instead of blinking. To make sure everything worked, return to the home screen and confirm that the Wi-Fi icon is visible without any warning symbols. For an extra check, open the network information screen and confirm your printer has received an IP address from your router. If your Canon printer doesn't have a touchscreen or wireless LAN setup menu, use Easy Wireless Connect instead. Most entry-level PIXMA printers have physical buttons instead of a touchscreen, so the setup starts from the control panel. Press and hold the wireless button until the wireless indicator begins flashing. This places the printer into Easy Wireless Connect mode. When the wireless light starts blinking rapidly, the printer is ready for the Canon mobile app to complete setup. Now open the Canon Print Inkjet Selfie app on your Android phone or iPhone to finish connecting the printer. Tap Add Printer, then allow the app a few moments to search for nearby Canon printers in setup mode. When your printer appears in the list, tap its name to begin transferring your Wi-Fi settings. Next, select your home Wi-Fi network from the available list, so the printer knows which network to join. Enter your Wi-Fi password exactly as it appears on your router, then continue to send the settings to your printer. The app securely sends your wireless network information to the printer. Keep your phone close until the transfer finishes. Once the transfer is complete, the wireless light becomes steady, confirming that your Canon printer is connected to Wi-Fi. If the Canon Print app doesn't find your printer, don't worry. A few quick checks usually solve the problem. First, make sure the printer is still in Easy Wireless Connect mode. The wireless indicator should continue blinking during discovery. Next, allow Bluetooth, nearby devices on Android, or local network on iPhone if the Canon Print app requests permission. Make sure your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network you want your Canon printer to use. Return to the Canon Print app and tap Search again. The printer should appear within a few moments. If your router supports WPS, you can connect compatible Canon printers without typing your Wi-Fi password. Find the WPS button on your wireless router. It's usually labeled WPS and may be on the side or back. Within 2 minutes, start WPS on your Canon printer so it can automatically exchange wireless settings with the router. When the connection finishes, the printer joins your Wi-Fi network automatically without entering the password. Whether you used Wireless LAN Setup, Easy Wireless Connect, or WPS, your Canon printer is now connected to your Wi-Fi network. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, subscribe.